completed. So now that the sharing was completed, we can now upload to YouTube. So in order to go to YouTube, you first need to go to youtube.com. You would need to make sure that you are logged into your Google account that you are going to be uploading to. So once you do that, you're going to want to click the little camera icon here with the plus button to hit create. You're going to select upload video. So now that you are here for your select files, you just need to select your file, find where it is. So if you saved it to your desktop, you can just select it here, open. Now, you don't have to have your videos be public. They can be public if you want, but you can just do that as unlisted, and I'll show you how to do that. So make sure that your title, you have your title. Make sure that you have the project title of what it is. You can add a description if you'd like, but you don't need to. The only thing you need to do is create an audience. You have to select for the audience. Is it made for kids or is it not made for kids? All of your videos should be made for kids. There should be no cursing or stuff like that. So you could say, yes, it is made for kids. You want to hit next. And it does not include a paid promotion. Make sure you include that as well. Hit next. Hit next. No checks. If you want your video to be unlisted so that anyone only with a link can watch a video, this is what you would select. You can also set it to public if you'd like. It's not required. I would love for it to be public. However, if you just want it to be unlisted so that people with the link can watch it, then that's more than okay. Please make sure that when you send the link, when you do turn in your project, that you copy the link and send me the link to the video. Then after you're done, all you need to do is hit save. And there you go. You'll get this sometimes where the video will be uploading. So once that happens, you can close this out. Just make sure you remain on the page. And then from there, once it's done, you'll have your link, and then you'll be able to share it with me on Teams.